Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you a AdSense earning online script here. This is a Vue.js webcam capture selfie app, online app kind of application that I built here. So this is a paid application that I'm just selling here. So the link will be there inside the video description of this app here. So you can see this is the demo of the app here. So if you just open it inside your browser, there is a button here which is open camera. So if you just press this button, you will need to allow the permission of camera here. So now this will be happening, this web camera here. This is my desktop uh, laptop camera is there. So now you can just click this button of taking the picture here. Just smile here and take the picture, and now you can see it has taken the picture, and now there is a download button is also there, which will allow the user to download the photograph. So it will click download, and now it will download this JPG image onto your local PC. Very simple application, but very effective. You have seen these applications online also, because they are also making money as well by putting ads on these AdSense ads on these web applications. So I decided to make my own application. So all the source code I am just selling here on my website procodestore.com. You will find the link in the video description. Let me just show you the preview of the link here. So if you go to procodestore.com, this is my official website where I sell premium source code. You can also check out more products as well. They are listed out. So this is a most recent one. You can see Vue.js AdSense earning webcam selfie capture online web application. So only 60 rupees. This is the price here. You can just check out this application. So if you just click here, you will be redirected to the. This is the more detailed page where you can read more about it. This is a screenshot of the application, and this is the title, and this is the price here, 60 rupees. And this is a modern AdSense earning webcam selfie app which is built in Vue.js in browser using JavaScript. So after you pay the payment here successfully, you will receive you can download the zip file inside Google Drive, where only one single index.html file is present. Let me just show you. After you make the payment, you will receive this zip file. So when you extract this zip file here, you will see, just click extract here, only a single index.html file will be there. So you will see this is a file here. So simply if you open this file, you can open this with the Chrome browser. So the deployment is very easy. You just need to upload this file to the server, any server that you're using, Apache or Digital Cloud. So simply you need to upload this, and now it will only work here. You need to allow the permission as well. So click allow, and now you can just also close the camera from here like this. Just toggle it and click the button of selfie button and click download. So it will download as attachment. So very simple app. This is a source code of this application. So here I have used bulma.css, which is a CSS framework for building out the layout. So this is all the code of this there. So make sure that you buy the script here, guys. Please support me. Only 60 rupees payment is there. Let me also show the payment option as well. So where was it? So this is a here. If you just click the purchase option, before that you need to register on the website. It is very simple process. You just need to give your email ID, and then a payment, your password will be sent to your email ID. So very simple process. So when you make an account here, just click the purchase option, and many payment gateways are supported here. Paytm option is also there for Indian customers. Instamojo, Paytm QR code, UPI option is also there, which supports Google Pay, Paytm, PhonePe, Bheem. And this is PayPal. If you are an international customer, you can just put the credit card or debit card details, and you can just proceed to PayPal. And you can have this script. And for that, you just need to fill out some details: first name, last name, phone number, and email address. So this needs to be correct details, because in the future also you need to buy some more stuff. So that is why you just need to put correct details. If you're making through if you're paying through Paytm, you just need to put the correct number. So after you do this, you will be redirected to Google Drive, where you can download the product. It is very simple, and you will receive this zip file where you can just extract this single index.html file. So this is very helpful if you're using any sort of ad network. Let's suppose you're using AdSense. So this is very safe for AdSense. It is AdSense compatible. Just write some content on the website and you can monetize the web application and earn as well. So let me just show you the websites which are doing it, where various websites are there, which is one website is this webcamtoy.com. So this is a similar website which is a selfie app, but it also applies some fun effects as well. So basically it takes the photograph and then you can download it onto your computer. So basically this is the same application it takes here. It lets you save these images onto your computer. So that's exactly what this application is doing. It's a very simple one, but you can get the idea. You can get the source code. Only 60 rupees is there. So just go to the video description link and you can buy the script here. And this is AdSense compatible, and you can make money online using the script. Vue.js selfie earning webcam selfie capture online app. So thanks so much for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next video.